This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact clip and trimming away abrupt cuts so the stabilizer works on consistent motion. Open the clip inspector on the edit page because settings applied there affect the clip non-destructively. Once done, set the frame interpolation to optical flow if the shot has fast motion. This gives smoother results by generating intermediate frames. Make sure to use the clip's original resolution and frame rate for accurate analysis, since mismatch settings distort stabilization. Next, go to the color page and find the stabilizer panel. This is where Resolve analyzes motion. You choose mode based on how much distortion you can accept, use similarity for rotation and scale, perspective for complex skew, translation only shifts position. Click Analyze and let Resolve track motion across the clip. You'll see a progress bar and then a stabilized preview. If you notice cropping or warping, pause and adjust mode or zoom settings before final render, because that changes how the algorithm compensates. Finally, refine the results by tweaking smooth, zoom, and cropping so you balance stability with image integrity. Increase smooth for steadier motion, but watch for excessive zoom. If artifacts or wobble remain, try rerunning analysis in another mode or enable border padding to hide edges. Once satisfied, render a short test export using the project's timeline settings to verify color and motion match. If problems persist, return to the original clip, reduce extreme pans, and reanalyze. This fixes most stubborn stabilization errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.